Hey guys, it's me again. Um, this is professional cyclist here, but back with you with another video. Um, Today I'm going to be doing a different type of a different type of video for Wheelbrightz, and this is a installing and also a review of how you can install Wheelbrightz on your bike. Now, when you get these from Walmart, you will see that you will have two of these right here. Now those ones look like this, okay? Do not install it on the outside of right here. The reason why is because when you install this right here, it will hit this right here a lot. So don't install it on the outside. You need to install it on the inside of the spokes, because the spokes, it will help it from things. You'll be able to use them a lot more. And also this little black thing right here goes onto it right here. As you can tell, there's one right there. There's a hole right there and a hole right there. And these two bolts go into there. And the way that you install this is, see this little black thing right there that I'm pointing at right here, in the middle of that little right there. Oh, come on, focus. Okay, well, anyways, you put the black thing right in between the spokes. Why is this phone not focusing? Come on. Come on, focus. Oh, hold on. Oh, there we go. That's better. Well, as you can tell, the little black thing goes right in between the spokes. Like that. So when you screw these screws in into the bottom, it will keep it from moving. So give me a second. I will. Let me see if I can do this without having to pause the video. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Okay, there's one in there. I just gotta screw it in. Please do not come out. Okay, there's one right there. Oh, there we go. Okay. There's that one. Also, this one right here. Same thing. Oh, that feels weird. Oh, it's magnetical to. Hold on, I'm trying to do my best with one hand. Okay, holy crap. Okay. Now, I just want to let you know that, as you guys can tell, this part right here, or this right here, there's holes right here that you can adjust it as well. Let's say if it's wiggly a little bit, all you have to do is loosen up these a little bit, like I'm doing it now, and make sure that is sturdy. And this goes up. See, hold on. This goes up like this and like that. Then when it's sturdy, you just screw these back in. But don't screw them too much, because it will break the little outer plastic right there, and that will not be good. Okay. Okay, well, that's installed. Oh my gosh, my legs. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hooey. Okay. And how, okay, also, to install this right here. As you can tell, the little plastic thing right there, let me get closer with my phone. The little plastic thing right there is right here. When you install this onto your bike, wrap it as close to the spoke that is closest to, if you can. And so let me do that one, since I'm doing it, since I'm right here. Now you can wrap it around. You can wrap it around as many times as you want. And also the price on these Wheelbrightz is $9.96 at Walmart, and these are very bright, and I've used them all the time for several years. I've used them, and I have to buy me another set of Cosmic Brights. But the Cosmic Brights are for the frame of the bike. Okay, this video might take a little bit longer than I wanted to, but who cares? As long as I'm able to help you guys know how to install this onto your bike. Oh, come on. There we go. Now, the reason why I'm putting these on my bike is because it's for side visibility, is to let people know that you're there. And I have seen several people who are riding bikes don't have these, and I'm like, how do you expect people to see you if you don't have any source of light on your bike? I mean, I'm just letting you guys know that these lights are not that expensive. You can buy these at Walmart for very, very cheap. They're not that expensive. They're like $10 a box. But I'm pretty sure, I mean, I'm really glad that the business or the company that makes these doesn't sell them for very extremely expensive, because I don't think anyone would be able to afford it. Okay. Now, I just want you to know the cord, the wire cord is heavy duty, so you won't have to worry about it too much of breaking on you, because it is heavy duty type of and you won't break it. You won't break the lights because this little plastic thing is protecting it, so it will still work. As you can tell, they still work. Okay. Yeah, I did another video like this, and I noticed that I don't have any comments in the comment section. I have views of people seeing it, but I know like half of the, a little bit over half of the video was all that my phone was on the ground, and I'm like, oh, I have got to do a different video so that I can have better likes, and I mean, it's for, these lights are for safety purposes, and so okay, one more time around. Oh, come on. Now, if you guys are wondering how long this is, I am thinking it might be around 6 feet, which I'm assuming that it is maybe 6 feet long, because. Okay, hold on one little second. I need to use two of my hands so I can open up the bag of zip ties very quickly. Okay, some of them are smaller, some of them are bigger. Come on. Okay. Whoa, hello there. Come on. I'm going to be trying to using these smaller ones of these zip ties, and not only that, but I'm going to be, excuse me, I'm going to see if I can get this part here zip tied around the, around this one spoke behind it. So, give me one little second here. I might need to use two hands if I'm not able to. I gotta get myself a dang tripod so I can put the, oh, come on. Oh, come on. Dang it, come on, don't do that to me. Jesus. Come on. This is so difficult with one hand. But I'm trying to use my other hand as well to help you guys to know how to install this onto your bike. Because my other video was not very good. I'm like, Okay, hold on one sec. I need to pause this. Okay, I was able to zip tie it. And not only that, but I'm going to be putting the rest of this. Whoa, don't do that. Putting the rest of this lightning strip tubing in between the spokes. Now, if you're wondering how I'm putting it into the bike, I'm putting it in between the spokes. Not the outside of the spokes, in between the spokes. This might get a lot more views than my other ones did. Hey, hold on. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I know it says to put them on the outside of the. Oopsie. Yes, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. I know it says to put them on the outside, but I'm like, that's not going to work. I'd rather not do that. Okay. Over here. Oh, shit, don't do that. Same thing over here. I mean, that's why I am putting it like this in between the spokes. And not only that, but afterwards, jeez, don't do that. I might get a lot more views from this one than my other ones that I did. Whoopee. My bad. I didn't realize until like a few seconds ago that my hand was covering the camera. My bad. Oh, that's funny. Okay, that's better. Now, I am going to be putting zip ties around it to keep it secured, to make sure it doesn't fall apart. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ooh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. I might just use the rest of these. Yo. It is really hard to doing this with one hand. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh my gosh. I really hope this does not take forever to do because it's just gonna be so damn difficult. Okay, there's 3 of them already. Let's do another one over here. Well, let's do this one first. Let's do zip tie this part here first. Come on. Oh, 1 second, you guys. I'm having some difficulties here with just using one hand or 2 hands with the phone on it. I'm trying to... There we go. That's better. Okay, it's almost done. I just got to do 4 more. Ouch. Hold on again. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm halfway there, you guys. I'm halfway. Ouch, my legs. Ouch, my legs. Ouch. Oh. And yes, I'm sorry I'm complaining about because my legs are seriously are sore. And they're hurt because I'm not used to sitting on my butt all the time. Oh, come on. Come on. This is so difficult with one hand. I swear. Oh my God. Come on. My goodness gracious, come on. Why are you acting this way? You know what, hold on, let me see if I can zoom in my phone a little bit. Yep, I can. A lot. So I can see what the heck I'm doing because I cannot see. It's not where I want it to be at. That's how... Oh, come on. You stupid freaking thing. Hold on. Holy God, I'm trying. It's so freaking hard. I'm trying to do the very last one, but it's not working. Does not want to do it. Hold on, one more time. Okay. Well, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's 8 total. Okay. Well, I was trying to do a minimum of 8 on this thing right here. Oh my gosh, my legs. Okay. Now, to pretty much show you what it looks like without the light on it. Looks like this after it's all installed. Whew. Looks like that. And also have a red one on the front of it, but it's mounted differently than the other one is, but the power box is different. It's a little bit differently than the other one, but let me show you what it looks like really quickly. Come on, first. There's the power button. Come on. There's the red one right there on the front of my bike. But anyways, this one's for this one. Whew, yeah. If you guys like this video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel for more future safety bike tech safety gear. Now these ones I got from Walmart. They're $9.96 plus tax. So if you guys want to go try them, try Walmart stuff out, go ahead. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.